Hi, to change icon's color on the Samsung Galaxy S25, you need to open Settings and from here find this tab Wallpaper and Style. After that, you need to tap on Color Palette and enable it by tapping on the switcher. And then you should enable Apply Palette to app icons as well, so like that, and simply pick the right color palette for you. So there are wallpaper colors to match your wallpaper, or you can switch to basic colors. Then you can tap Apply, wait a couple of seconds, and this is the new icon's color. So we just changed it, but it changed the color of the whole interface. So if you don't like this, then you can go in themes. From here you need to switch from themes to icons, then find cool icons pack. You can switch to top, choose free, pick something, then download this pack and tap apply, and this pack would be applied to your icons. So here it is. You can go back in settings and let's disable this color palette. So I'm going to show you that the changes would be applied only to to the icons. So let's disable color palette, and here it is. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.